Hi guys, so the aim of this screencast is to calculate the area of polygons using the QGIS layer calculator. Since I want to make a calculation that will add a new field to the layer, I have to first go into editing mode. This could be done by right clicking here and editing. And let's go to the calculator from the attributes table. Okay, so the attribute table here, I see the ID and the name of each of the polygons. And if I go to the calculator and I want to calculate the area, first I have to define the name of the field I'm going to create. Let's call it area, and in this case, although it's metric system and the area is not that important, I'll define it as a decimal field, which means I have to define the length of the field. Let's make it 15 just in case, and the number of digits after the decimal point. You will see it flipped left to right, but that's the way it is here. And you probably noticed that there is an infinite number of formulas of functions within this calculator. So one way is to really read the categories of functions and find the geometry, and then really read the names of the functions here and find the appropriate, which is not that easy. But another is to just print right here a search term and get back the, I don't know, the things that correlates to your search term. And in this case it's area, and you can see that there is area with a dollar and without a dollar. The one that is without a dollar returns the area of specific polygon. We define a specific polygon. The one with the dollar symbol returns the area of the current feature, which means it will calculate the area of a polygon for each line and bring back this area, which is what I want. So I confirm, and if I look at the attributes table now, I can see that I have the area, which means this screencast is finished.